Hi friends, in this video I'm going to share the different method of cooking for sweet potato and also sharing the usual method. Let's see how to cook this sweet potato. First one is usual method. Take the pressure pan, put the potato in the pan and add water and some salt. Allow this to boil. Approximately it needs 3 whistles. If it is in smaller in size, 2 whistles is enough. Now it is completed. After it cools down well, open the lid and remove the potato from the pan. That's all about the cooking. Then remove the skin and make it into a pieces. Then spread some masalas. You can use chaat masala. In this I am using black salt. This will give different taste unlike common salt. That's all about this method. Now you can consume this sweet potato as a snack. Next one is a different method. That means I'm going to cook the sweet potato without water. For that what we need is one dosa tawa. This one is for paste purpose. I'm using old dosa tawa. This dosa tawa must be in aluminium or cast iron. Don't use the non-stick cookwares. And then we want saucepan or kadai. I'm going to use the saucepan as a lid on the tawa. First switch on the gas and keep the flame in the minimum. Then place the dosa tawa and then place the sweet potato in the tawa. After that we have to close the sweet potato using a saucepan or kadai. Make sure the handle on the pan should not be disturbed while closing. Now I am closing the saucepan upside down on the tawa. Like this. Close the sweet potato like this. That's all. Then allow this to cook for 30 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes. Just placed like this. The sweet potato must be inside the lid. Don't use the steel lid. Now it is completed. After 30 minutes, switch off the gas and open the lid. Check the sweet potato using a knife like this. If you can able to apply the knife easily, that means potato cooked well. Then remove the potato and place it in the cold water. This will helps to remove the skin easily. After that, remove the skin completely. Then make it into a pieces like this. Then you can spread black salt or any chaat masala and then you can consume this sweet potato. By this second method, there is no wastage of nutritional fats. Comparing to the first method, there is some wastage of nutritional fats because we are boiling the potato with the water and removing the water. So I would recommend the second method for cooking the sweet potato. I hope you all love this technique. Try this in your home and enjoy the sweet potato. Thank you.